What we did in last step was creating a workspace. Now our workspace is ready, and in this step we have to install and set up all the package that we want about the Turtlebot. To do that, in Google you can search, I did search it before, yes, robotics.com Turtlebot 3 platform, and then search it. The first website that it comes, I will put the website, the link of the website in below. You can use it. So whenever I press this, I can see too many information about the Turtlebot, the kinds of Turtlebot, the companies, and too many things that they describe here. So what I want is to set up this Turtlebot, and I want to use this SBC setup. And in the SBC, because I'm using Ubuntu Mate now, because I use Ubuntu right now, I didn't use Raspberry or any other platform. So I press on it. In this website, I can see all the required that I may need to install this package step by step. I should only copy and paste this command here with Control C and Control Shift V somehow, and somehow Control V. I can paste it here. I have a password, so I should press the password. It will set up. It takes a little time, and after that what I have to do is to upgrade my applications. So yes, so the next command that I have to enter is here. I should go inside my src folder. Let's wait a minute. It should be finished. After that I have to write the new command. So here is all the driver that I may need. Here are the messages that I may use to communicate with my robot, and here is the rest of the thing that I may need. Okay, so it depends on your internet speed also somehow, but I will pause the video. Whenever it finish, I will continue. Right, that's finished. Okay, so what I have done in the rest, I will show you now. Because it takes too much time, I didn't want to take your time. The first thing that is which is very important, here when I copy and paste it here, I face with an error. Why? Because it is this command is written for kinetic, but my ROS is melodic, so that's why I have to change all those kinetic which is written here. I should change them with melodic. How do I know that my ROS is kinetic or melodic? It is very easy. In a new terminal or in a separated terminal, you can write ROS version -d, and then Ubuntu will tell you what is your version. And here, as you can see, my Rust is melodic, so I change it with melodic. After that, sorry, because I changed them too much. So after that, I go to my src folder, as it mentioned here, and then I use this command, this line, and I will write all of this command in below. So I use this command, or I use, I don't know whether YouTube let me or not. If I can, I will put it all in the below, or if not, I will put it in my weblog, and you can go and take it from there. So first I use this one, after that I use this command, and after that I use this command. As I told you, this is the drivers, this is the message, and this is the rest of the thing that I may need. But one more thing that I need is this simulations file, which is not mentioned in this website, but it is very important. I have to write it with by myself, simulations.git, and then I run it. After that, when everything is finished, I navigate my commands to Turtlebot 3. It is a folder that I created here, as you can see here. It has something inside that we may need them. With this piece of command, we can remove them all. This rm, sudo rm means remove. So that's it. Then finally I have to run this command, which is catkin make. And when I run this command, everything was clear and everything was blue, and it shows that everything is installed very well. So in the next video, what we are going to do is to launch our Turtlebot inside the gadget.